Hey, Desmond here with I Review the Fly, coming to bring a fresh new pair of dope kicks to you today, guys. Check this out, guys. There was some shoes that dropped. I told you about it in my previous video that I did on the Adidas the Adidas EQT cushion ADVs advances, and I was telling you about these shoes that I saw that I wanted to get. Well, guys, I actually waited a week later because there was a new colorway that came out about these shoes. Of course, I'm talking about Adidas, guys, and I'm gonna tell you guys, I am at loggerheads about these shoes, guys. But anyway, I want to give you guys a good in-depth review on these shoes so you can decide whether these are something that you would want to cop or not, because I'm not sure whether I want to keep them or not, guys. But here we go, guys. And what am I talking about? I am talking about the Adidas Prophere. Yes, the new Adidas originals that Adidas dropped. They dropped the first one a week ago. These just dropped on December 26th, right after Christmas, in the gray colorway, guys. And I'll be honest with you, aesthetically, they're fire. Beyond that, I don't know. So let's get right into it, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and open this box up right quick and show you what I'm talking about, man. Box closed up right quick so I can show you this hotness right here, guys. This is what I am talking about, guys. These joints look bananas. I'm telling you, they are something totally different from Adidas. I mean, I absolutely love the way they look. I mean, check it out. Bam! Look at the color. You know, look at the knit on there, man, and the colors is in there, man. It's absolutely dope. I'm digging the stripes coming down the sides. I'm digging the tongue. I'm digging the back of the shoes. I even got a little shark fin on it too. I'm digging that too. But here's the problem, guys. These shoes are absolutely heavy. They are freaking heavy, man. You know, it feels like I'm holding a Timberland boot in my hand right now. This is how heavy these shoes are, man. And it's all because of the sole. You know, I'm guessing Adidas is trying to make a shoe similar to the Yeezys that came out, the ugly Yeezys that Kanye West is wearing right now. I don't even know the name of them. I just know they ugly as hell. And I guess Adidas tried to make their own version of that looks really better. And I will admit, these do look a whole lot better than those Yeezys, guys. By the way, guys, if you know the name of those Yeezys, please comment it below. The ones I'm talking about that look like the real ugly, look like some 1980s sneakers that, you know, old men wore. Anyhow, guys, but Adidas actually did a good job of making these look really good. They really did. I'm digging how the sole look, but the problem is the shoe is freaking heavy. I don't know whether I should put it on or I should beat the hell out of somebody with it. Now, I'm not gonna do that, but I'm just saying, you know, it's really heavy, guys. And I'll be honest with you, man, I paid $124 for them. With taxes came at $129. You talking right in the range of NMDs. My NMD R1s cost me $130. And I'm telling you, both pairs of my NMDs don't weigh as much as this 1 foot of these Adidas Prophere. So yeah, do I have a problem with them? I definitely do. They look very good, but they're heavy as hell. I don't know how they're gonna feel on my feet. Of course, I'm gonna try them on, we'll go from there, guys. But as of right now, guys, I will have to say, because of how heavy these shoes is, and I mean, it's got thicker knit on here. It's not prime knit, but it's thick because I'm assuming they want to do something for the winter time. But as heavy as this shoe is, matter of fact, this shoe is even heavier than the Adidas Prime Knit F1.4 sneaker boots I did did a review on a couple of weeks back on their boots, the Adidas boots. They're heavier than that, guys. I'm telling you, these shoes are freaking heavy, hard. I don't think they're gonna be comfortable on people's feet. But yo, look, guys, at this moment right now, I'll be real with you. I love the aesthetics of them. I think they're really dope. Look at the inside on them. They're really fire shoes, you know, if you're putting them on. But they're extremely wide. They're extremely heavy. And at this point, man, I gotta give them like a rating of a 6 out of a 10. You know, I mean, I'm all for good looks and everything, but I do not want shoes that's gonna hold me down and make me feel like Herman the Monster, you know? So anyhow, guys, let's get into some on feet of the Adidas Prophere. And we'll go from there and see if these shoes are actually comfortable on my feet, guys. As of right now, I can only give them a solid 6. They look really good, but man, this is like a workout holding these shoes up. Anyhow, guys, I'm out. I'll be right back with you with that on feet. Okay guys, I'm back, and of course you can see the Adidas Prophere right here in front of your face, guys. Like I said, we're going to get some on feet on these shoes right here, so you guys can see that 360 roundabout view of how these shoes look on my feet, and I can give you a more in-depth on how they actually feel on my feet. Because like I said, so far the shoes are very heavy, and as you can see, they're very wide shoes. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that if you got wide feet, but for a person like me who don't have really wide feet, I mean, they're wider than the, you know, than what Nike makes for the KDs, but they're not that wide, guys. So let's get right into it, see what we got here, guys, and go from there. Like I said, so far I'm giving them a 6. They look really good, but the shoes are really heavy. I mean, if I want to work out, I'll go work my leg. I do leg day like I do when I go to the gym or I work out from home. I don't need some shoes I walk around in to weigh me down, you know? Anyhow, guys, let's get right into it. Let me move this box out of the way. Go ahead and sit these shoes on the floor, and I'm going to get situated and put my left foot in the left shoe and go from there, man. Like I said, man, the shoes are absolutely incredible how they look, man. So, you know, let's go ahead and slide my foot in, which it slides in pretty easily, you know. So, got my foot in there. Go ahead and tighten the string up. Nothing too complicated about that. So therefore, there you go. I got the left foot on. Now let me go ahead and get my right foot in these shoes. You know, and of course you got the big tab in the back to help you pull the shoe onto your foot, and you got the tab in the front right there on the tongue to pull your feet into the shoe. Also, so let's go ahead and tie this one up. Get that right foot tied up, and let's get into some shoe pulling, baby. Some on feet, giving that 360. I mean, and they do have the ortho-like technology in them, so you know that's pretty good, guys. And I must admit, they actually are comfortable on my feet. You know, it allows my feet to kind of spread out and have that relaxed feel to them. So I guess with the wider sole, it does make it worth the while, even though, you know, well, like I said, they still look better than the Yeezys that came out with the big wide sole. They definitely look better than the Balenciagas. Oh my God, and Balenciagas is some ugly behind shoes, guys. So yeah, so with me having them on my feet now and feeling the comfortability of them, they're still freaking heavy shoes. I definitely would not keep them for me personally. Like I said, for paying $120, I might as well buy another pair of NMDs. If I'm gonna spend 120 bucks on a pair of Adidas, you know, look at the treble in the back right here. I'm trying to give you that roundabout, but you know, like I said, if I'm gonna spend that kind of money on some Adidas, I'm definitely gonna get some more NMDs. So these right here will actually be going back to the store. Comfortability, I would say I'm gonna bump it up from a 6 to a 7.5 to be fair with them, guys. But in style, they're out of this world. I love everything about the looks of them. I love the way the sole has all the little knots on it or whatever else. I mean, I love how the stripes look. I love the knit material on them. You know, even though it's kind of crazy with a little bit of pink in there, but you know, they call it some kind of fuchsia color, some solar red or whatever. It's pink, hot pink. But guys, aesthetically, like I said, they're a dope shoe. They're very comfortable, you know, because they allow your feet to kind of spread out. But the shoes are freaking heavy. So with that being said, I don't like heavy shoes. Never been a fan of heavy shoes. That's why I really don't wear I don't wear any of my Timberland boots anymore. I don't wear any of my polo boots anymore. I just don't like heavy sneakers. I mean, I got some Nike boots, but they're not heavy, guys. I'm not into heavy shoes. So anyhow, guys, like I said, I'm giving these a solid 7.5. You know, make sure that you like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, click on the bell in the bottom right corner so you can get updates whenever I put out new content, guys. Anyhow, like I said, once again, this is Desmond with I Review the Fly, showing off the Adidas Propheres in the gray and white colorway, guys. You make the choice if you want them or not. Me personally, if I was gonna put any money into these just because of how heavy they are and for the looks, if I'm actually gonna put some money in them, I'm gonna wait till they go on sales, get them for half the price. You know, that's cool. But anyhow, guys, I'm out. Peace.